Hello traders, what's going on? In the previous lecture, I have discussed about the short position on a price action chart. So in this lecture today, I am going to explain about the basic formation and characteristics of flat market on a price action chart. Flat is the critical situation of financial trader because market stay in a certain price range, that means sideways range. So let's start. Flat pattern has two parallel trend lines that are sloping sideways. As you know that horizontal lower line act as a support level and horizontal upper line act as resistance. Flat refers to a situation when the price stays within the same range. In other words, a price does not make new high or lows but moves within the boundaries of recent highs and lows. Naturally, there is no strong trend in the market. As you can see that this is sideways market. Sideways trend lines are connected to higher lows to act as support level and trend lines are connected to higher highs act as a resistance level. Sideways line and trend line, those are going to parallel with horizontal market. When the price is between a support and resistance level without being particularly near either of them, it does not signal anything about the future price. If the price is falling towards support, it indicates that it will reverse and rise again. If the price is rising toward resistance, then it indicates it will reverse and fall back again. When price break above the upper resistance line, a buy signal is generated. Then you will trigger a long trade entry which set the stop loss at least 3 pips above high of higher high levels and then set the profit target at least 2 times the size of stop loss. On the other hand, if price break below the lower support line, a sell signal is generated. Then you will trigger a short trade entry which set the stop loss at least 3 pips below the low of higher lows and then set the profit target at least 2 times of the size of stop loss. Let's see the real chart example. This is USD CHF 4-hour chart. You will notice that this is a sideways or flat market. Price continue in support and resistance boundary. You could not opportunity to trade in this situation. Then you can wait for breakout or breakdown and analyze the market situation. As you can see that the price break the resistance, then buy signal is generated. You will place a long trade entry at the closing of current candle and set the stop loss at least 3 pips below the candle low and set the initial profit target at least twice size of stop loss. On the other hand, when the price break the support level, then sell signal is generated. Then you will trigger a short trade entry at the closing of current candle and set the stop loss at least 3 pips above the candle high and set the initial profit target at least twice size of stop loss. So not more today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.